everyone, it's Matt here. Welcome back to another episode of Savant's Tech Talk. Now, who says being a programmer is easy? Is it fun at times? Yes, of course it is. But easy? Sometimes programmers forget to shower or even eat their meals due to the immense workload that they go through daily. Being such a workaholic can be troublesome. So I'd suggest you make a work schedule and follow a proper diet and sleep pattern. A programmer must have their necessary equipment on their desk, or otherwise it could dull their productivity. So if you're a programmer and your workstation or desk is a mess, then you might want to spend a weekend organizing it. It's good for your mental health as well. So now that you're in the middle of rearranging your workstation, here are 9 items that you should consider adding to your desk setup. As always, if you have any questions or if you can think of any more items to add to the list, let us know in the comments down below. If you enjoy this video or find it interesting and helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Let's jump into it. First, of course, is to have a good chair. Now, it might sound cliche, but a developer must have a chair to do their work. We're emphasizing a chair because we've seen some developers that would sit anywhere, even the floor, to do their job. A software developer and programmer have to spend a reasonable amount of time sitting on their chair to complete their tasks. Special ergonomic chairs are available in the market that are made for this purpose. These chairs are built to ensure that whoever sits on them won't feel fatigued or any back pain even after spending hours on them. So if you're using a regular chair, consider replacing it with an ergonomic office chair. It'll help you sit for long hours and remain focused on your programming. Also, if possible, maybe even opt for a standing desk. This will allow you to keep developing and stretch your legs at the same time so you don't have to sit 4 hours. Next on our list is a notepad. Programmers know how crucial it is to stay connected with their outside world. Staying connected with the world includes picking up the kids from school, going to get groceries, and even attending dinner at grandma's. A simple notepad and sticky notes available on your desk can help you remember any critical engagement that you have to do. Also, a notepad can also help you in programming, formulas, or any other chores. It's an intelligent solution that needs to be there on a programmer's desk. And of course, don't forget to add a pen, pencil, marker, a highlighter, and gum stick to your desk as well. My notebook practically begs me to use it. Seriously. Next is a good theme and work environment. Here, colors can play a significant role in your desk setup. Also, do you have a proper color grading? And is your desk lit up enough? Now, I know dark rooms can be excellent, but they don't help in stress reduction. Try to place your desk against a bright wall. It's also preferable to maybe have some windows around so you can get some fresh air as well. If you want more positive vibes, maybe add potted plants, scented candles, and maybe even some motivational quotes that would push you to work even harder. If you have the budget, maybe even install LED lights to boost the mood. Your workspace will be funky, calm, and catchy. But of course, it's whatever you want, whatever makes you comfortable, and whatever helps your productivity. A pair of monitors. A good programmer knows how essential dual monitors are for their everyday programming. First of all, 2 monitors make you feel like a pro. You feel like some undercover agent working on a plan. Some of the reasons that having 2 monitors can be important is, 1, you'll have more space to work. You can multitask, run a side-by-side comparison, and even do separate processes on both to get the work done on time. A mug warmer. A coffee maker might take up a lot of space on your work desk, but coffee is necessary for a lot of people, and a programmer might consume a good 4 to 5 cups throughout their day. But the issue is that such a constant workload might distract you to the point that your coffee gets cold. Unfortunately, then you would have to make it again. A good mug warmer is the ultimate solution for cooled down coffee. It's intelligent, easy to use, connects with a USB cable, and consumes less space on your desk. So now you don't need to worry about your coffee being cold, since the mug warmer will keep your drink hot as long as you want it to be. Now you don't have to spill your coffee down the drain and make a new one. Time saved. Coffee. A set of ANC headphones. As a programmer, you know how dry coding can become. The best remedy to bypass such heavy coding and programming is to play some music to pass the time by. Whether you're a Beethoven fan or you love Queen, pick up headphones and start listening to them while you work. Listening to music while programming can increase your focus and make your productivity even better. And even if you're not someone who focuses better while listening to music, Another benefit of having noise cancellation headphones in programming is that you'll be less distracted from outside noises. If you're living with your family where you have kids at home, it can be pretty tough for you to work. A stress ball. Stress is what software developers face, especially while running a code or finding any software issues. And sometimes it can even be stuck in place, which of course adds to the increase in stress levels beyond imagination. Some programmers can even hurt themselves or their surroundings in sheer stress. A great solution is to keep a squeezy stress ball with you. You can squeeze the ball to release your stress or bounce it around the room. It will relax you in a few moments. In addition to this, a stress ball will also give you some relief to your hands, since you're constantly on the keyboard typing and tiring them out. Next on our list is ergonomic peripherals. Now let me ask you, are your peripherals ergonomic? And are they providing you stress relief during long work hours? Or are you tired of using them? Invest in something that'll increase your work productivity and provide relief to your body while working. A keyboard is something that programmers use a lot, so the keyboard is their ultimate tool. Try to buy a high quality keyboard with additional shortcut keys. Maybe try a keyboard that remains quiet when you press the keys, or a keyboard with longer keycaps and a wrist pad that you can rest your hands on. A conventional mouse might cause pain in your hand, so you might need to buy an ergonomically shaped mouse that fits appropriately in your hand, gives a good grip of the thumb, isn't slippery, and works fine. And last but not least, a water bottle. Please stay hydrated. I can't stress this enough. Drinking water in appropriate amounts is as crucial as eating healthy food and exercising. Water is absolutely necessary to prevent fatigue, post-work headache, coughing, and low energy levels. So there we have it, a list of programmer desk essentials, from a good chair and standing desk, notepad, good theme or work environment, a pair of monitors, mug warmer, ANC headphones, stress ball, ergonomic peripherals, and of course water. A little investment in these won't do too much damage to the pocket, but it will provide you great health benefits and you'll be motivated to do more work. As we mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you still have any questions or if you have any more ideas to add to the list, let us know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video or found it interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.